Scan2Mobile, formerly known as Scan2Pad, allows you to save scans directly to your smartphone. Go to the Scan2Net web interface and select Setup Device. Log in as power user. The default password is power user with a capital P and no spaces. Go to Network Configuration. Click WLAN Basic Settings. Set WLAN to Access Point on Demand and click Apply. Now, click Launch Scan Application. Click the arrow in the top right. Click Config SW Touch. This will bring up the onboard scanning interface. Click the arrow in the top right again. Click Config SW. Scroll down about halfway down the list to the maximum of job images setting. Set this to 100. To finalize your changes, tap the Close button. Scan2Mobile is now fully set up and ready to use. When you're finished scanning, select Scan2Mobile from the transfer options. Scan the first QR code with your smartphone's camera app. This will connect your smartphone to the scanner. Scan the second QR code. This will start the download process for your scanning job. Your scans will be saved in your smartphone's Downloads folder. If you run into connectivity problems, double-check your phone's network settings. You may need to temporarily disable mobile data or disconnect from your local Wi-Fi network.